My name is Owen Lubinda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lately I've been hearing things like Forex this, Forex that, and Forex this. I've been scammed a lot on Forex actually. How it came up to my to my understanding and everything like that. At first I was scammed. Like 90% of the people here in my country, I believe even you, the audience right now who are watching this, you have been approached once to say by someone saying, yo, I want to be a broker, I want to do this for you, I want to do this for you, you'll be getting this amount of money if you just put in this amount of money. No, it doesn't work like that. How do you put in 100 USD and expect to get 2,000 in a week? No, that can't work out. So I'm going to teach you the legitimate way on how you can actually invest and actually do Forex for beginners. Don't follow these people who just come to you and say, yo, let me do this for you. No. 90% of these people are all scammers. So I'm going to teach you how to actually do. I'm going to show you the application, how you can start, the best broker you can use, my recommendation for strategies from people who you can get strategies from, but my recommendation, honestly speaking, it's make your own strategies, make your own signal. That's the best thing I can tell you, because you put your mouth where the money is, or you put the money where the mouth is. So you put your brain where the money is. That's how Forex works. Don't expect to get free money, no. Everybody who's rich in Forex has actually had to struggle doing it all. I'm a beginner as well. I'm not yet a pro, but I'm a beginner. So for everyone who has clicked on this and wants to know more about Forex, how you can trade here in Zambia, how you can do Forex here in Zambia, you're in the right channel right now. So without even wasting any of your time, make sure you've subscribed, like, share, and leave a comment. If I've helped you in any way, leave a comment and tell me. If I haven't, if my info is actually nonsense, please let me know. That's how you make one actually develop. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump into the application right now. This is the application right here. It's a very simple application. It's called MetaTrader for Forex. Or when you're searching it on your place, you can say Meta4Trader. So without me in fact moving any further, please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Please, if you're interested in making money online, the best ways on how you can make money, if you're interested in investing, the best ways, not being scammed, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell, like the video if you like the content of the video, dislike it if I haven't made any sense. If you have any additions, suggestions, or anything like that, or if you like the video, please show your support in the comments section, please. So let's open this application right here. So yes, this is Meta4. So immediately you open Meta4, it will give you a demo account. It will give you a broker demo account. This broker demo account, since it doesn't know that you have a demo, you have a broker account, you just assume you don't have. So to give you a demo account where you can actually practice trading. Okay. So in the next part of this video, part 2, I'm going to show you how to make the broker itself. I'll show you how to make the broker itself. This live broker that's here, mine, this one that's here. I'll hide the amount, but this is the broker. This is the original broker. This is the legitimate broker. I'm sure you can see here. It's live there. This one is demo there. Okay. So immediately you log in into this application, it will give you a demo account. So you work with the demo account that you have. That is practicing, knowing strategies, knowing how the market is moving. So this here are the trades that are there. We have Euro versus USD, search in here. So you open chart. So because of the network, my Wi-Fi is kind of like slow today, but this is how the chart comes up. Okay. When the chart comes up like this, let me just turn off the Wi-Fi. Let me just turn on the data. So it's showing you how the market is moving. Okay. So this button right here is to show you the market. Market only. This button right there. And this button right here is to show you the specific market that you have chosen, the graph, and how it's moving. You can zoom in, zoom out. Okay. This button right here is to pinpoint. This is used for pinpointing. This button right here. This button right here, it's used to see the balance. It's used to see the trades that are currently going on. Okay. All the trades that you are doing and the balance and everything like that. And this is the history. So it will show you all the trades that you have done. And this button right here to show you the news, which currency is going up, which currency is going down, predictions. And this here right here, it's the supporter unity. In case you want to support MT4, this is what you do. So let me go back to this one here. So when you want, let me say you want to make a trade, right? You want to make a trade, you hold that. Here where it says open order, that's why you click. Because of the markets being closed around this time, I can't really make an order. But immediately in part 2, I promise I'll show you how to make an order, how to sign up onto a real broker, how to get it, how to start earning on Forex, how to make you understand. So for now, this is just a simple way, simple trade way that I can show you. So we have here on your left side, up left side, you see what goes like codes, chart, trade, history, mailbox, news, economic calendar. So all these are to your advantage. Okay, you use these to your advantage. Use them the way you want them, the way you want to use them. It's a very simple thing. So in part 2, I'll make sure I'll show you a live trade. I'll trade there, and then I'll show you how to trade, place a first trade, how you can get profits, the right broker, how I can get you signed up to the right broker. So yes, immediately this video hits the timed views that I want, my goal that I have. I can't really tell you guys that I have my own goal. Immediately it just hits, and the subscribers also more. I promise you I'll actually put up part 2. And you should let me know if you really want part 2. For as long as you watch this video you think you need part 2, let me know, and I swear I'll put for you part 2. I really promise I'll put part 2 for you. So without wasting any time, please, thank you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe. Come on, let's support each other. So yeah, thank you. Have a blessed day.